Video, we're going to take a look at Cardano here on the 4-hour chart. We're going to get an idea of where we are possibly going here. We're also going to take a look at some quick news here. Over 2,300 Cardano smart contracts are waiting in time lock as ADA price slides 20% over 2 weeks. So we're going to take a look at this article over here at bitcoin.com as well. Definitely, guys, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join almost 5,000 other awesome subscribers here that are crypto obsessed. You're not in the wrong place if you love cryptocurrency. Come on down, check out some other updates, and we'll jump right on into this one next. Mine real gold and build a real business in the world's most expansive mobile MMO, Gold Inc. Gold Inc. allows you to grow your real-world net worth while building a realistic mining empire. Find and own claims worth as much as $10 million. Get paid out in gold or the gold-secured currency by Apollo Fintech. Own equipment in the form of an NFT with the GXP currency and sell these items to players in the game. Get in now and use this code for exclusive in-game offers. Go ahead and check out the links in the description if you're interested. And we're going to jump right on into the Cardano update. The first thing I would like to do, guys, is go ahead and take a look over here at this article at bitcoin.com. As I mentioned, guys, over 2,300 Cardano smart contracts are waiting time lock. Let's go ahead and take a look at this real quick. So following the successful Alonzo hard fork, the Cardano network now has a large swath of new smart contracts. However, developers must wait to use them as they are locked in a time lock contract. At the time of writing, metrics show an aggregate total of 2,352 smart contracts since the Alonzo upgrade was implemented. And the wait on smart contracts may be affecting Cardano's price negatively. As it mentioned, Cardano has slid about 20% in the past week or so. Essentially, while the capabilities are there, developers still need to wait to deploy decentralized finance projects, decentralized applications, and other concepts like tokenization and non-fungible tokens or NFTs. A number of projects are ready to deploy new protocols and ideas like Cardax, Liquid, and SingularityNet. It's possible that the wait for these smart contracts has been affecting ADA markets in a negative manner. However, Cardano is still the third largest market valuation among all the cryptos in existence. However, since the upgrade, 7-day stats show a 6% loss in ADA's fiat value, and 14-day stats indicate ADA has lost 20.2%. Metrics also show that 57.16% of all ADA trades on September 17th are swapped with Tether or USDT. And we are going to be going ahead and taking a look at the price action. So make sure you stick around, do not go nowhere, and go ahead and smash that like button one time if you haven't yet. Let's go ahead and read on here. It says ADA is down 23.5% since the crypto asset's all-time high 15 days ago at $3.09 per unit on September 2nd. So guys, look at this, 23.5%, man. 23.5% down from its all-time high. Honestly, guys, what do you think? Drop a comment in the comment section. Is that something to be worried about right now? And let's go ahead and jump on into the price action. All right, guys, so like I said, I've got it on the 4-hour chart here, and I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time on this. You guys have seen this chart, I'm sure, before if you're following the channel. If not, definitely go ahead and hit the subscribe button for me one time for the one time. But, guys, basically what I'm thinking could potentially happen here, as this does it's looking somewhat like it's wanting to pull back a little bit more here. And, you know, one indicator telling me that, guys, is the moving averages on the 4-hour chart crossing here. Let me zoom in on this so you can see. But, guys, you know, we had this cross. We had this bearish cross right here. You tried to push up above it, but you could not hold support, and look what we did. We fell straight back down, guys. You pushed up here, broke through your EMAs, but then you fell straight back down, caught resistance, and you're still heading to the downside currently on the 4-hour chart. So this is what I'm thinking. I'm going to give you guys my pullback targets. Keep in mind, as always, not financial or investment advice. Invest at your own risk. I'm not a licensed financial advisor. You know, I'm just giving you guys my opinion of what I think could possibly happen. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and extend this line out here, this line of support that we've had here. We did break below it here once, but we shot right back up into this line of support. This is pretty significant on the 4-hour chart. You have multiple touches here. On the hourly, if we drop it down on the short term, you can see through these large 4-hour wicks. Actually, on the hourly, you can notice some support there. But this is an area I would believe as support. Now we could come on down and connect some other wicks and put in some secondary areas of support as well. Like say you come down here to this wick right here, you extend it out here and connect these other wicks. This could be some secondary support as well. So I'm going to put it there because you got 1, 2, this wick fell through it just a little bit, but you got 1, 2, 3 touches there, plus all this price action here, and you caught a little bit of resistance on that after breaking below it here. So that's definitely an area to pay attention to as some secondary support. So we have that, and then we also have this line. If we extend this one on out here and kind of try to put it back right where it was at, And really, we could bring it on up. I'm going to connect it to this wick, because if you connect it to this wick here, look what it does. It lines you up perfectly with this resistance back here. So we connected with this wick, and then it also lines you with this support back here, and this support here, and where you broke support here. So that seems to be a good confirmation of that trend line right there. Oops, let's bring it back. Okay, now, so these are my pullback targets, guys. I do believe that if Cardano continues to pull back here, we could come all the way down as low as first of all, to test this right here. Oops, sorry about that. This little top right over here, guys, sort of like a little shoulder over here. We could come down and test that. That's right here at about $2.20. You know, we could test that for a bounce, but then again, we could come on down and test this line, this white line of previous support. That's going to get you down here at about $2.10. So in and around $2.10 to $2.20 is a possibility for a nice bounce there. If that breaks, guys, I would expect us to come on down, retest some of these previous areas of resistance that we had back here. Also, this yellow trend line of support and resistance that played out. You can see that there was some resistance back here and some support. There was some resistance there and support there. So this yellow trend line at $1.89 is also a possibility. These are definitely all possibilities to the downside for a potential bounce. Now, that doesn't mean that we're going to bounce and just take off. I would say we would come down here, we would bounce, come back up, test some previous support, most likely continue back down until we catch a nice area of support. So I'm going to say down here around $1.80, really $1.80 as the lowest right here that I believe we would go before catching a decent bounce. And as this news says, you know, we do have 2,300 Cardano smart contracts waiting. Okay, so in my opinion, and you guys can let me know what you think, but in my opinion, once these go live on Cardano, I mean, things are about to change for Cardano, I do believe. Now, obviously, we had the classic sell the news, right? We had the classic buy the rumor, sell the news happen for Cardano with the Alonzo hard fork upgrade. If anybody's been in the crypto space long enough, you should know, buy the rumor, sell the news. So we got these possible targets here, guys. I do believe that if we can bounce down here around these support levels and hold this support, we can absolutely continue this run up. I would expect us to catch some resistance somewhere along the way up here in this general area, just based off of these previous touches here. I would say up here around $3.40 to 50 cents, and then up here around $4.50, which would be the top of this line of resistance from back here. Once again, guys, I hope you enjoy this quick update on Cardano. Please, if you're new to the channel and you have not yet, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you love crypto. You're not in the wrong place, guys. Come on over and join the community. Check the links in the description for ways you can check out Gold Inc., as well as ways you can help support the channel and join the community here at Average Joe Crypto. Come down, check out some other updates, and I better see you in the next one.